Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video without wasting much of your time. Let's get the video rolling.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay guys, to start off, I'll be using my loose powder from Pineapple Cosmetics to set my brows. Yeah, and I'll use my spoolie brush as well to further brush my brows. So my pencil for today is the Davis number 3 brow pencil. Yeah, Davis brow pencil number 3. Today's eyeshadow procedure will be a little bit different from the way I used to do my eyeshadow, and trust me, it's the most simplest technique I use, or yeah, the most simplest technique. It actually saved me time. I mean, the lazy man approach to eyeshadow. So now I'm just brushing my brow into place, and the concealer I'll be using is from Flormar Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Dark. Yes, and I use that to clean the upper part of my brow, at the same time the lower part of my brows, and I use it as my eyeshadow base as well. I hope you guys can hear me clearly because I'm working as I'm actually working as I'm recording this voiceover, so I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I think the wind is blowing. I beg, this is Africa for you. Yes, and as I said, I use the same eyeshadow and the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. Yeah, this is how our brow is sitting on. Pretty. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, because hey guys, I have a lot of videos in stock for you guys. So I'm just blending the concealer into place like this, like this. So you guys might think I've forgotten my gorgeous me eyeshadow palette. No, I have not. That's what we are using today, and I love this eyeshadow because the pigment, I think I'm lucky with eyeshadow, so that's what I will say. All the eyeshadows I use are so pigmented. Yes, just look at this. Look at this. I'm so in love with this eyeshadow look I did. Yes, so in love. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's continue watching as we blend this eyeshadow seamlessly. I mean, which word again? Flawlessly. Okay, let's continue watching. Yes, I'll be going back with this shade. You see the shade, that pretty shade right there, and that will be in the corner, I mean corners of my eye, just like this. And I'll be, oh lord, I can hear some. Okay. Okay, this video is like a voiceover vlog because I'm actually walking around whilst recording this voiceover, and I can hear children all around. Hi. Okay, what I did is I was kind of packing the shade over there. Then when the brush is, when I have less product on the brush, and I'll just extend it in the corners of my eye, if that makes sense. Yeah, just like this. When the product is much on the brush, I just concentrate in the corner of my eye, but when the product is lesser, I'll extend it. So this is my next shade. This video is just like a coincidence. It wasn't planned, but the colors I use actually kind of match my backdrop, which was kind of loud for me, but how for do we move. Yes, yeah, the same thing as apply with this one. I pack it on the second shade as well as drag it a little bit. Yeah, just like this. So I'm going in with this nude shade to further blend the edges of my previous shade. Yes, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to blend it like this, like this. Yeah, so keep on blending. Blending is the key. I mean, blend as if your life depends on it. Just keep on blending. Yeah, so today my primer for today is the Ingrid primer. I don't know, but it's from Ingrid Cosmetics primer. Yes. So I went ahead with my liner from Iman. I hope I got the name correct. As I said, today's voiceover is just like a vlog, vlog voiceover. Yeah, so I'm just applying my liner. Yeah, so my foundation is Maybelline Fit Me 360, which is mocha. Mm, I love this foundation because the undertone is, I mean, everything is, I mean, perfect. Perfect. I mean, perfect. It's my perfect shade. Yeah, so always remember to blend your foundation down to your neck area, just like so. Yeah, so the concealer I used in highlighting was the Flormar Cosmetics, the one I used earlier on, and LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I mixed both. Yeah, and I used my foundation to blend that out. If you have not subscribed, can you subscribe down below? I mean, subscribe down below. Yeah. Yeah, what I normally do is I go back with my beauty blender to further blend everything into place, just like so. Yeah. So to contour, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour. Yes. So as I finish blending with my contour brush, I went back with my foundation brush to further blend again. So now I'm contouring my nose. Yeah. So I'm just outlining it before I blend. And after blending, I'll go back with my beauty blender to further blend again. So let's continue watching. To set the places where I highlighted, I went back with this my all-time powder, which is from Benai. Yeah, Benai powder. It's been a while I used this powder. It seems like I've forgotten it. I just went back and grabbed it. So I'm setting the places where I highlighted with the Benai powder. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. And you can actually share my video if you can. Yeah. So now I'm going in with my Zikel Cosmetics powder palette, and I'm using the translucent powder in it to kind of to further highlight my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, just like so, and to do a reverse contour on my nose, just like so. Yeah, as well as a reverse contour on my cheekbone. Yes. So I'm going in with this shade right there to further blend places where I contoured, just like I'm doing. Yeah. Yes. And I'll blend my nose contouring as well. I'll set my nose contouring as well. And for blush, I'll be going in with the Nikak Dua blush. Yeah. And for highlighter, I'll be using the Catrice the Ultimate Chrome palette to highlight. Yeah. For lips, I'll be using the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Vixen, whatever. And I'll be using Classic Makeup USA. I think the shade is Oriental. No, it's not Oriental pink, but it's a pinkish shade. This just happened, and it coincidentally matches my backdrop, which was a little louder. But I beg, we move. Yeah, so subscribe, comment, like, and share. Yeah, I was surprised when the lipstick turned out like my backdrop. I'm like, wow, what kind of combination is this? Oh, yeah, guys, I went ahead to use the same concealer to kind of clean any excess from lipstick I have, just like this. Yes, you can see the way my eyes are popping. Yes, the way it's popping. Well, this is more than I'm in love with this look. Yeah, so I went back with my powder brush. Which powder brush? I went back with my beauty blender. My son is confusing me. I went back with my beauty blender as well as the highlighter to kind of add a little bit of a shine to my cupid bone. To set my entire face, I'll be using the Catrice. Is it Catrice? Yeah, Catrice Prep and Fine setting spray. I'm using my beauty blender to kind of dab the setting spray into my skin. Yeah, this boy is confusing me. I'm using my Minister gel liner and the tip of my brush to apply it. Yeah, that's somehow safer than the brush. I'm using the tip of the brush to do that. Yeah, so my mascara is from Incense Lash Princess. Okay guys, this is our final look. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. And I hope you guys learned one or two things from this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy my vlog voiceover. So until we meet again guys, stay blessed, stay safe, bye.